Real Madrid fans, let's talk. Yes, the way things are going now, Real Madrid have now increased Rodrigo this money for him to leave the club. The signal is now 120 million euros, not 100 million euros again. And now, Liverpool are very interested to sign Rodrigo from Real Madrid because 90% that Luis Diaz might join Bayern Munich this season is very sure. 90% now is very sure that he might join Bayern Munich for next season. And now Liverpool are willing to pay the 100 million euros before to sign Rodrigo from Real Madrid. But now Real Madrid have added another 20 million euros for that 100 million euros. So now probably now if Liverpool want to complete the signing of Rodrigo to join Liverpool now, it's going to be 120 million euros. Papa Perez, your work they show. I like that. Yes, because Rodrigo, if you actually see Rodrigo, is very talented. That guy is very talented. He has won us 2 Champions League. If you notice that, he has won us 2 Champions League. So we need to at least appreciate him and sell him for a good price because that guy has done a lot for us. He has done a lot. So in the other side is that Vinicius Junior is still talking to renew his contract, but he's still trying to confuse Real Madrid that he want them to pay him the same salary they are paying Kylian Mbappe. But Papa Perez is still talking with him, still making, so things are still going on in the club, right? We need to talk about and need to look into, because I don't see why Vinicius Junior is requesting for another salary that want him to put him in the same salary with with Kylian Mbappe. I don't see the reason why he's asking for that amount of money. So as it stands right now, they say Real Madrid also want another centre back. They also want another centre back after they're not going to sign Ibrahim Konate this season. So they want another centre back so that this thing will be, because if you look at Rudiger, he's already old. So we need fresh blood in that place. And if you look at Anthony, this guy, Raul Asensio, he's always making silly mistakes. So I'm very sure next season he's not going to have minutes like that. So Madrid actually need a world-class defender that will be able to stay there for us, and yes, we can compete with any team we meet next season. So, and in the other hand, they say Real Madrid are also looking for a goalkeeper. But I'm not sure whether, because that source that I showed, that source they too they lie. So I'm not really sure if it's actually true or it was just rumor. But they say Real Madrid are looking for another goalkeeper because Thibaut Courtois has signed only 2 years in his contract to 2027, and this guy Looney also only 2 years in his contract left. So they are looking for another young goalkeeper so that they will be training him before these guys retire. Because if you look at Courtois, he's already old. Looney is 27 already, turning 28 this year. So what do you guys think, Real Madrid fans? Drop it down in the comment section. Like this video, share, and follow me for more content like this. Thank you for watching. Peace out.